y'all, it's windy today. All right, y'all know what time it is. Hold on, I don't want to get hit. Walking through the streets of Atlanta, y'all know how that go. Anyways, hey y'all, so it's Vlogmas. Alright, hey y'all, so today I'm taking y'all to the Christkindl Market. It is a market with a whole bunch of different vendors and foods. They go around different cities. So here I am about to show y'all the Atlanta market. So come on, let's go. All right, here goes the market, y'all. This sounds super cute. It's probably like really cute at night, but I won't be here at night, so here we are. Oh, this is nice. So they have a Santa shop. Okay. They said Santa taking a nap right now. So they have an ATM just in case you need some cash. They have a whole bunch of different vendors out here, which is really, really dope. Really nice. We have like some stones over here. I don't want to put the lady on camera. But that's really, really cute. Really cute. Oh, there's a bar. That's cute. There's a bar as well. It's really cute. Chocolate, desserts, pizza. There's all types of places in here. Get you some cider. This is very family friendly. So there's more food places down here, which is cool. Vodka. So they have beer as well. That's cool. Oh, nice. Handmade in Bali. Oh, this is dope. Everything in here is handmade in Bali. That's cool. All right, so there is like this indoor shopping area, y'all. So everything here is like German based. So there's a whole bunch of different crafts like you can look at, you can buy. Super, super cute. Lots of ornaments for like your trees. This is the perfect place to come. This is really the perfect place to come for like Christmas decor. My friend Steven would love it in here, like absolutely love it. He loves Christmas. So look, I'm putting y'all on. Don't say I didn't tell y'all. You got the Christmas balls, which like are all different assortments. Those gold ones are super, super cute. Oh my God, there's so many different options. Like so many different options. Oh, those are nice too. It's like so many different pretty things you could put on your Christmas tree in here. I'm here for it. I'm definitely here for it. They have a little mock tree up as well so you can see how things look on a tree. So pretty, y'all. All right, of course they got the nutcracker. So many nutcracker options. Oh my gosh, like I just love the holiday season. So many different cute statues. This is so cool. So pretty. Okay, the glass pieces are really, really nice. Oops, my coughed. All right, y'all, let me get out this, let me go back to the outside part. Y'all, look at this huge tree. Like, this show is so big, young. Oh my gosh, I gotta come back with some friends. I need somebody to take my pictures out here. Gotta get my friends. All right, y'all, more. If this ain't a sign for me to get a job. If this ain't a sign for me to get a job here. But y'all know I'm not. It's too cold to be sitting out here. Hold on, the siren's coming. CBDs. Massage tools. Get some healing tea. Hey, hi. I pulled up to this place called Native Taste. They have been in business for about 9 years. And their teas are 100% sun-dried leaves, so that makes it like really, really natural. And they have an assortment of flavors for you to try out. So make sure you try them out. Native Taste. We're down here at the Christkindl Market in Atlanta. Oh, then they have a mixture of like pecans. Like this is just amazing. Apple cider and caramel apple. Here goes a little toy shop. We're gonna skip over that. Y'all know we ain't getting no toys. Oh, they have a clothing shop too. So you can come out here and get some clothing items. Oh, and hats. Oh my God, look at these hats. wearable art. This is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh, there's so many things out here. Oh, I like that bag. Hold on. This would be so good for this would be so good for Peggy. little Miss Entrepreneur, that's hilarious. She knows why. Shout out to Peggy J. Little Miss Organic. Do I have any organic friends? That's good for my ooh, that's good for my friend China, y'all. Little Miss Organic. Ooh, hilarious. Anywho, dang, I didn't make my round already. Nope, it's more spots over here, so I didn't make my rounds. Okay, so you got a little bit of stress relief over here for any pains you may have. Oh, you have like everything made out of wood, so all your kitchen items. That's really, really cool. Like really, really cool. Oh, those are so pretty. We saw something like those in Greece. Those are so pretty. Excuse me. Hi, where are these made?
Tunisia.
Okay, very, very pretty. Those are really, really pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so, so neat. Very great options for y'all. Y'all have to come out and check this spot out. I mean, the customer service ain't great, but you know, nonetheless, just get your product and go. You have some sweet treats, raw body essentials, more food, a lot of pretzels and stuff, some sweets, just like honey. Oh, this is so dope. A whole bunch of different honey. That's cool. Pancakes. All right, down here, what is this? Oh, a scarf shop. A scarf shop. This is cool. Hey, what are the scarves made out of?
Alpaca fur.
Alpaca fur. Those are pretty. Very nice.
Too,
oh, can I touch it? Yes. Ooh, that feels good. Where is that from?
They're from the Andes Mountains.
The Andes
like
Mountains.
Peru and Ecuador.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Really, really dope. Look at this color. That's super pretty. Very rich.
Tone ones.
Yeah, these are beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I'm just getting some content for my YouTube channel to show people like places they can come for the holidays and shop.
I love
so I was like, oh, let me come around here. Like, I'm doing Vlogmas, so I'm doing a video every day. So I want to help people like find Christmas gifts at places that are different.
Yeah.
So it's cool.
Did
Very,
you get
very nice.
Here on like nights and weekends, that's really when it starts to pick up.
Yeah.
But right now I used to get like the daytime version of everything.
Yeah, I was like, let me come now where it's not too crowded and I can get content, and then I can come back later with friends, like on a weekend night. Very nice.
What's your channel called?
So Models.
So Models.
Yes, yes, and I do lifestyle content.
Nice.
Yeah, check me out. Yeah, please. What's your name? Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. I'll be back out here with friends, so probably during the weekend when it's more busy. I'm sure it's lively.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then it's like filled with stuff, and there's performances that go on and stuff too. So.
Oh, good. Okay, so weekend will be a better option. All right, thank you. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they have gloves too. Gloves and socks. More scarves. This is handbags here, jewelry. Oh, look, crepes. All right, y'all, so that is like a super, super cute spot to go to get you some holiday items, some stuff. Get somebody some real foreign stuff that they ain't gonna see nowhere else, okay? Super, super cute, and it's a great like family fun hangout as well. I was told during the nights and on the weekends that they have performances, and it's like very, very lively. So that's somewhere you can go to in Atlanta. You could window shop. You could buy some food and just, you know, chill, relax, and have a nice holiday outing with your family or your friends. All right, people always try to hit me when I'm crossing the street. I don't know why. Anyways, all right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into today's Vlogmas. Hope you all enjoyed. I will see you all tomorrow for another day of vlogging. Peace.